Hey everybody, it is raining. It is so beautiful. It's raining. Again, I would say it's rare for it to rain in January, but it is raining. Yeah, it is beautiful. It's cool, very pleasant. It's a different kind of pleasant, not the kind of pleasant when it's afternoon, the sun is up. This is a different kind of pleasant, but it makes me happy. Oh, it's lovely. It's beautiful. And so nice with the green and the lights on. It is just beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, now you know it's raining. Right now, it is raining. It's beautiful. It's very nice. How many times am I going to say that? I'm just happy. That's it. I'm happy.